Rasikbil or Rasikbeel is a small lake situated in the Cooch Behar district of West Bengal, India. This lake attracts a lot of birds which make nests in the trees around the lake. The bird species which live in and around the lake includes cormorants, different varieties of storks, ibis, spoonbill, kingfisher, parrots, owl and many others. There is a deer park and a crocodile rehabilitation center by the side of the lake. There are also a leopard house, a python house, Aviary and a tortoise rescue entre. Bird species include lesser whistling teal, common teal, ferruginous duck, red-crested pochard, northern shoveler, northern pintail, Eurasian wigeon, gray-headed lapwing, northern lapwing, pied kingfisher, stork-billed kingfisher, common kingfisher, little cormorant, great cormorant, and gadwall. Rasikbil is situated 1.5 hours from a town in Cooch Behar district called Tortoise. From Aviary, it is 74 kilometers. The nearest railway station is New Cooch Behar, 35 kilometers away. Cars are available for hire at the station. Gallery